Welcome to this beginner level Pilates workout using a wall and towel as an option. Now we are going to get started right away with a variation of the 100. If you're wanting a little bit more of a warm up first, check out the class that you're seeing linked up right now. Otherwise, go ahead and join me on the mat and let's begin laying on to your back. Feet on the wall, so the feet are against the wall, arms by your side. Take a deep breath in here. Long breath out. Then take hold of your towel. Strong, gentle pull out on it. In your next exhale, curl up to your thighs. And inhale, lowering right back down. So your towel may tap your knees or imagine it reaching a little bit further forward and lowering down. Two more times. Now staying up and inhale, reaching your arms to the ceiling, pressing forward. Deep breath in, your arms come to the ceiling. Exhale, press forward. Almost there, one last time. Very nice. Lowering down and slide away from the wall. So your legs will go straight. Press into your feet, pulling out on the towel. Bend one knee in, your foot goes back. And the opposite knee in. Just continue alternating sides. Pressing strong foot against the wall. Other knee pulling in towards you. And now take your arms behind your head. Feel that long reach, long connection. The towel will become behind your head now, curling up, and continue with the legs. So imagine the towel is a little hammock for your head. More work in the abs, not so much in the neck. One more time each side. Both feet stay pressing. Stretch your arms away and then forward to the knees and pumping your arms. Deep breath in. Long breath out. Deep breath in. Long breath out. And you're pressing your feet against the wall, gently pulling out on your towel. One more deep breath here. Pausing through. Arms to the ceiling, lowering all the way down, and your arms stretch behind you. Now take your arms wide to a T and bring your feet down so they're on the mat, the feet still pressing against the wall, so you'll push away. Bend one knee in towards you. Inhale, swivel the pelvis and rotate to one side across your body. And exhale, come back to center. So the straight leg will pivot along the wall. Exhale back to center. Both shoulders staying nice and still here. Just two more times for the swivel. And center. And one last time here. Then reaching your leg up to the ceiling, flex the foot, lowering it all the way down. Bend your knees just a little bit, sliding to the wall a touch, and then push away. Strong, straight legs. Bending your opposite knee in, and go right away into that rotation across, swiveling. Exhale, center. Your shoulders stay heavy. Finding that beautiful movement in the pelvis across your body. Just one last time here. Very nice. Your leg goes up to the ceiling, flex, lowering it all the way down. Reach back, find your towel. Your arms come up to the ceiling, rolling yourself up, sitting tall, even if you have a generous bend with your knees. Taking your knees just outside of the mat here. Your arms reach forward. Reverse and roll yourself back. And now start round spine, rolling forward to the wall. If your knuckles touch, bend your elbows. You can go a little bit deeper. And then roll back, lengthen tall, and pivot your spine forward. And let's repeat that. Rolling back, bending forward. You can bend your elbows, going a little bit deeper into your stretch, rolling back, and find that pivot forward again, taking your time. Just allow yourself to breathe nice and deeply here. One more time through. Very nice. Now your arms come forward and bend them in front of you. One time each side, rotate to one side, arms here. Then pause, center, reach your arms in front and rotate. Strong arms still. Pause, center, reach your arms to the ceiling and rotate. So can you get a little taller with your arms reaching to the ceiling? If you don't like the arms here, choose one of the other positions we just did. Next time we rotate, we'll stay there. So rotate and now round towards that foot, coming up, and center. Rotate second side, rounding forward. So as you're rotating and stretching forward, maintaining equal weight with feet against the wall. One more time each side. Very nice. Allow your legs to come to one corner of your mat, lay on your side. So your legs are going to be a little bit in front of you. This is where you might like the towel between your head and your arm. If that's more comfortable for your neck, keep it there. If not, just remove it. Press your bottom foot into the wall more and flex your top foot. So your heel may tap against the wall a little bit here. Now lift your leg up just a little bit and it may tap the wall again. Small lift and tap. The goal here is to keep your pelvis really still, even if that means you move more slowly or don't lift the leg as high. Pausing. Now bending your knee in to tap. Bend in. A little bit more challenging to stay still, but keep trying to push your bottom foot and leg against the wall. So strong bottom leg will help with this motion. One last time. Now press your top foot against the wall, flex your bottom leg goes up and down. Finding that nice lift here, trying to keep your legs as straight as possible. Just 2 more times, 2. Then pause up, squeezing the legs, pressing them together for another deep breath. Very nice, lowering the legs down, and right away, go on to your second side. So laying on to your second side here, again, if it feels more comfortable for you, let the towel be on your arm, a little cushion there, pressing into your feet, they're a little bit in front of you. Your top leg lifts, and find that bigger lift and down. So that really controlled lift where your pelvis stays so still. Strong bottom leg. Just a few more times here. You'll keep pressing with your bottom foot down as your top knee bends in towards you to return. And your top knee bends in towards you. You can always change where your arm position is. That helps you feel more stable. Just a few more times through. Very nice. Press into your top foot, flex your bottom, and lift and down. Trying to keep both of your legs straight here. Just sense a little bit more work with your inner thigh to come up and down. Now pause with the leg lifted, press and squeeze. Take another deep breath here. Very nice, and lowering your legs down. And now let's come and turn with your head to the wall. This is, again, you can use your towel and let your forehead rest against the towel. You can even double it up if that feels better for your body. Start with your arms bent. So you might need to scooch a little closer, further away. Arms bent, hands pressing firmly against the wall. Your feet will be wide to the corners of your mat. Strong, straight legs. Pressing hands, and inhale, start to lift your spine up. So it's not so much of an arm press. Let your spine come up, and then it lowers down. So your head lifts off the towel, your upper spine to lift, and down. Allowing your pelvis, your abdomen, all to stay in the same position no matter where your spine is. Very nice. Now you can keep this option, or next time you come up, pause and walk your hands higher up against the wall here. Lowering your spine down part way. And if your hands slide a little bit, that's okay. And then bringing your spine up, maybe a little bit more than it was before. Again, lowering part way. So getting slightly bigger spine motion now. Breathing in to come up. Exhale down, and what hasn't changed is the strength in your legs. Just 2 more times. Very nice. Let your hands come down and have a seat with your feet pressing against the wall once again. Your thighs are parallel. And take hold of your towel. So it's a gentle pull out on your towel. Exhale, reverse and roll back. And you're only going to go part way back. You want to keep the feet nice and heavy, and then rolling yourself up again. Do this 2 more times. Curling back, and then rolling up. 1 more time like this, and then we'll add on. Rolling back, pause, bend one knee in, foot goes down. Opposite knee in. So finding that firm press with one foot as your opposite leg pulls in. Just one last time, and then rolling into yourself. And reverse, roll down again part way. A little bit different this time. This time, one leg taps along the wall and foot goes down. Other leg to tap, foot to go down, to tap and lift. So you really do want to try to touch and reach the wall. One last time here. Very nice, rolling yourself forward, sitting tall. You might need to scooch a little closer to the wall. Reverse, roll down and keep your feet in that even press, rotating to one side and center. Rotate second side and center. Let this rotation really come from your center body, the abs doing this rotation, not just arm motion here. One more time each side. Very nice. Can you roll down just a little bit more? Curl into yourself just a little bit. So these are mini curls, down and up. Nice home stretch here. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Coming all the way up. Very nice. You can come kneeling. You can do these same hip stretches standing if you prefer. So hands can be on towel if you'd like. And take one foot in front of you, stretching your hips forward. Deep breath in, long breath out. Take time to open up the hips. Feels so good after that session. And switch sides. Deep breath in, long breath out. And if you're wanting to just open up your body and stretch more deeply, press play on this next Pilates stretch class using a wall and towel.